Buongiorno.
Good morning. Welcome back to those who were here yesterday. Welcome all to the third European Conference on the mutation of GNAO1 gene. Welcome to all of those who are here in person, but also to those who are following us online. That video that you've been seeing for a few minutes now was made collecting the drawings of our friends, our kids' friends, to see how they see their friends affected by GNAO1. And we have many of those kids here in the room today. So I will be the one starting.
Ok, il clicker. Scusate. Clicker. Grazie. Benvenuti di nuovo.
Welcome again.
Tomassi.
My name is Massimiliano Tomassi. I'm the father of a 7-year-old child who's affected by GNAO1 disease, and I'm the president of the Association of the Families of GNAO1. This association was established in 2019 with the intent to disseminate more knowledge about this disease that was recently discovered back then. And this is our third European conference. And we also support financially scientific projects and inclusiveness project. One project for children will be presented this afternoon, right after the lunch break. And we want to foster the creation of an international network of experts, neurologists, researchers, patients, so that we can accelerate the path towards an effective treatment. And we definitely want to support GNAO1 families because we don't want a family that finds out that their children have this disease, they're not alone, and there are other families that are ready to help them. So this conference has been going on for 2 days. This is the second day. I saw many of you yesterday, and we talked about the clinical aspects of the disease. We were updated with novelties about research. We had a special session for young researchers, which are the drive for this research, and we had the poster project and with the proposals of 4 of these young researchers who had a chance to present their work from the stage. Today, it will be a less scientific day, let's call it that, but it will be very important for families. The feedback that we often get from families especially after the other conferences that we organized in the past, they say that the scientific part is very important and it's very interesting, but it's not very comprehensible for families. So we thought that today we could have this kind of roundtable, this interview, where we can explain with simpler words what is the path towards an effective treatment, where we stand with the research. We can talk about the available treatments, and it's important for us to talk about the role of the patient and the patient associations in this journey towards an effective treatment. Then there will be a session about rehabilitation. We'll talk about the motor function. We'll talk about feeding. And there will be a session about the psychological aspect of the whole issue, because for the families of these children, it's kind of hard to deal with all of this. After lunch, there will be a session about inclusiveness, inclusive video gaming, we are very proud of this because, as I said, we are proud to provide our children with inclusive tools so that they can feel like any other children. So one of the most important thing for children is to play, and we want to give them the opportunity to do just that. In the end, there will be a final session where children will play, and some of the people that will talk this afternoon will bring devices that the kids here can use to play. So I would like to start with my thanks. First of all, I would like to say how grateful I am to the European Joint Program for Rare Diseases, which is a body that supports everything that revolves around rare diseases. And they have a support scheme, a program, and we were selected to receive funds within this program. So we would like to thank them for the financial support that they gave for organizing this conference. We would like to thank all the other bodies and authorities that sponsored us, which are the European Parliament, the Ministry of Health, National Research Institute, Osservatorio Malattie Rare, Alleanza Malattie Rare. We also received this year the medal from the President of the Italian Republic for acknowledging the importance of this event with the Medal of Recognition. We would like to thank the scientific committee of the conference for the help in the definition of the scientific program when we presented it to raise funds. So I would like to thank Serena Galossi, Massa Malenica, Simone Martinelli, Vladimir Catanaev, and Dario Ortigosa. They also helped us to define the scientific program of this event.
Anche l'advisory board scientifico dell'associazione, perché ovviamente noi come famiglie non abbiamo la
We
conoscenza.
also like to thank the advisory board because we as families don't have the scientific knowledge to make some decisions. So their support is extremely important throughout the year. We meet regularly to exchange information and to propose new projects and to make decisions together. So I would like to thank Giovanna Zorzi, Serena Galossi, Anza Maria Valente, Domenica Battaglia,
Luca Battistini, Vladimir Catanaev e Giacomo Carone. Un grande grazie a
big thank goes out to our international friends and the patient associations at an international level that are three representatives out of 4 these associations are here today from the Netherlands, from Spain, from the United States, and our friends from Finland follow online. And we found out that there is another association in Belgium. The representatives are here today, and we would like to thank them too for being here. We regularly cooperate. We organize virtual meetings with our specialist network, and this cooperation is so important to bring this work forward. A big thank goes out to the designers team for the creation of the beautiful key visual that perfectly represents the purpose of this event. So joining forces between the scientific community and the family community. So thanks to them for the great job. Our last thank, but maybe the most important one, is for Annie, that is the conference host, which is hosting us in the Rome Advanced District here. They made a great efforts, and we would like to thank Roberta Rossa and Alessia De Luzzi especially, who coordinated the team of people that you see today helping us. Also, Annie has been involved in a scientific research project through the use of their supercomputer, and is dedicated to Angelica in memory of a child who unfortunately passed away in 2020. The project was presented yesterday. We hope to get results as soon as possible, and we really wish good luck to all the researchers involved with the project. one practical information, since the presentations will probably have present pictures or videos of the patients. We ask you not to take pictures of the slides. Children will have the chance to spend a few hours with the volunteers that are here today, and they will take part in lab art, in an art lab that will be led by Juliana. So thanks to her, and then so we will ask the children to follow Juliana and the volunteers in the next room so that they can play together. So I wish you have a very pleasant day. I hope it will be interesting for everybody. I'm sure